Hi, I'm Sarah Williams, visual stylist with the Furniture Mall of Kansas, and today we're going to talk about how to create a modern farmhouse living room in 3 easy steps. The elements of a modern farmhouse living room will include texture, a neutral color scheme, and all your favorite things. To begin, let's look at the textures. You'll have a lot of rustic elements, including the beautiful wooden floors on this level of the living room, the tile that runs up the modern fireplace with the wooden rustic beam. You also have beautiful built-ins that create a nice foundation with which to layer on. We're going to soften those rustic elements with tufted linens, plaids, and all the cozy ottomans and throws we can fit in here. For your neutral color scheme, blacks, ivories, and grays are a perfect starting point from which to add your favorite elements. We have the black from the fireplace repeated in the coffee tables and end tables, and in the frames on our botanicals. White is repeated throughout the room in the beautiful urns, the paint, and the planters. We have a touch of navy in the buffalo check pillows, vases, and some mixed metallics thrown in to help create visual interest. For your favorite things, surround yourself with all the things that mean the most to you, whether it's in your frames, your prints, vases from travels or friends. If you're a lover of the outdoors, bring in a couple pieces of your favorite plants to create a living, breathing space. Thanks for joining us. This has been Tips and Tricks, and you've just learned how to create a modern farmhouse in 3 easy steps. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at FurnitureMallofKansas.com.